Hey, what's up, friends? Eric Crumbaker. I got Shar Costantino in today. Welcome to our Facebook Live. Guys, we've got a topic today. Our topic is, what are you doing during the holidays? What are you doing during the agent off season to stay ahead of the game going into this next quarter, which we've all experienced, or if you haven't seen it, there's a shift coming. So let's make this quick, Shar. What's the message? Because I'm going to give what I'm doing. The message is, what are we doing to stay ahead? What are we doing to stay ahead of everybody else going to this holiday season? Because I know everybody's sleeping. I know everybody's out to lunch. So I'm going to share what I do. Okay. And I think the reason why we are staying ahead of everybody is our routine. We're very strong on our routines. I know most people, I've seen it in the gym's slower now than it was last month. So wake up very early. We wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, do about a 5-minute meditation, writing down affirmations. Going to the gym. Get out of the gym, driving straight to work, walking in, doing some scripting, doing some role playing, which in all reality, that should pump you up to make some phone calls. And right now, we're calling past clients because it's holiday season. It's thank you very much for everything you've been doing for us, and we want to give back to you for everything that you've done to help us. So that is really the driving force, knowing that it's our opportunity, that winter is our season. So, Shar, what do you do that separates you from the competition at being the best listing agent in our market?
Well, I feel I come in to the office with enthusiasm to kind of encourage everyone to be their best. And what do they have to be thankful for this, week or yesterday? I mean, I think when we start talking about gratefulness, I think it makes everybody feel like there's something out there that they could do differently every day to make their day better.
So you come in with enthusiasm. Yes. Show me that enthusiasm. What does that look like? Come on. What does that look like? Show it. Show them. We're on Facebook Live. Let's see it, Shar. I want you guys to see.
It's like touchdown, It's like, yes.
Is that what it is? Is that your yes?
Yes.
I love it. I love it. Keep going.
It's like, this girl's on fire, So I try to.
I love it.
But I do feel I have that song in my head. I just want to.
What's that song? What's that song called? Let everybody hear it.
This girl is on fire. That's the one.
That's the one.
But what I'm saying is that you have to have that, coming into like an athlete, they don't come into a game, right, with all the, I'll get the job done. No, they've got to pump themselves up. They've got to go for it. They've got to know that they're going to win. This is their day. And so that's what we try to inspire, is that this is going to be your day today.
She wasn't lying. This is what she comes in the office like. So, guys, just wanted to share with you, this is the type of energy that you need in this type of the season, because we all know our minds are scary places to be, and it's always telling us what we can't do, what our limitations are, and why our ceilings are lower than they should be. So when you come in like this, you're breaking the mold, you're creating energy, you're moving the needle, and it's these types of people, these types of environments that make you thrive when a lot of people are literally out to lunch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, reach out to us. We're a crazy bunch. Either way, we'll see you guys in the next episode. See you later.
See you.